Welcome everybody. Today we're going to be reading Pigs Make Me Sneeze, and welcome everybody to Read with Maya. I hope you had a really good July 4th last night. Make Me Sneeze by Willems.
Achoo.
Achoo. Gerald! What do you do? What want to do today? I want to yes. What? A ball, a swim, a hat. Choo! Wow. Mark. Sniff. Are you okay? Mine. I do not know. Achoo! Boing. I cannot stop achoo! Boing. Sneezing. Oh no! What if? Boing. What if pigs make me sneeze? Achoo! Boing. What if you try to sneeze more softly? Boing. Sorry. But if pigs do make me sneeze, then I can't be near you. Then we cannot be friends. Then we must be apart forever. But Gerald, no, do not speak. It is too late. Bye. Gerald. What? Sniff. Are you okay, Gerald? No, I'm not okay, Dr. Cat. Pigs make me sneeze. And Piggy is a pig. You can tell by her name. Piggy is also my best friend. Achoo! Great. Now cats make me sneeze too. Thud. I do not think pigs make you sneeze. I do not think cats make you sneeze. I think you have a cold. A cold? You are sick. I am sick! Oh, thank you, doctor. Piggy! Wowzer. Great news! I have a cold. Good for you. Where is Pigeon? I'll give you 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Guys, it's right here. Everyone, I hope you had a really good time reading with me. Pigs Make Me Sing. An Elephant and Piggy book by Willems. I hope you had a really good time reading with Maya.